This week, at a drama-filled inquest into the circumstances around the death of 75-year-old farmer Joe Grogan, a coroner returned a narrative verdict in the case. A cause of death could not be determined because Mr Grogan from Screggan in County Offaly had been embalmed, but coroner Raymond Mahon ruled that the farmer, who had stage 4 cancer, likely died from infection due to a compromised immune system. A sensational call for the case to be referred to the DPP from a solicitor representing some of Mr Grogan's relatives was ruled out by Mr Mahon. For now, it seems the disquieting saga of the wedding, the widow, and a brewing war with the in-laws is far from over. On Wednesday, the day after the coroner delivered his verdict, a house that Joe Grogan was building before he died was still being worked on. The property is being built close to the site of the 2025 Ploughing Championships, hosted this year by Mr Grogan's widow. At the sprawling site at Screggan, which was home to the event from 2016 to 2018, preparations are already underway for the upcoming event. Against the backdrop of diggers preparing fields, Miss Flaherty cut a lonesome figure as she walked her dog. Her late husband was a much-loved figure in the community. He generously opened up his lands to the public, allowing locals to crisscross his fields on walks. As several of those locals set off on their daily walk on Wednesday, they stopped to acknowledge Miss Flaherty, embracing her as they spoke. The 51-year-old politely declined to be interviewed when asked about the events of the past few months.